Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest health and wellness tips. Today we're going to talk about a powerful combination that could help you melt away that stubborn belly fat, ginger and lemon. Curious to know more? Let's dive right in. First things first, let's bust a common myth. Many people believe that adding ginger to their diet during the summer can lead to an upset stomach or cause diarrhea. While ginger does have a warm potency which might affect the digestive system if consumed excessively, it's all about moderation. So can ginger really help melt away that belly fat? Let's find out. Ginger, scientifically known as Zingiber officinale, is a culinary spice native to Southeast Asia. It's not just a tasty addition to your meals, it's also packed with health benefits. Ginger's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can help in weight loss by reducing bloating, fixing constipation and improving digestion. But remember, consuming more than 3-4 grams of ginger during the summer isn't recommended. Ginger contains a compound called gingerol, an antioxidant that helps repair damaged cells and may even prevent certain types of cancer. Pretty impressive, right? So, what's the secret ingredient that pairs perfectly with ginger to help shed belly fat? Lemon. Lemon is loaded with vitamin C, citric acid and antioxidants. When combined with ginger, it can help you lose weight more quickly. According to a 2017 study by the National Library of Medicine, the active compounds in ginger, zingerone and shogols, may aid in weight loss. Now, let's talk about how you can combine ginger and lemon to boost your weight loss journey. Here are a few recipes that are great for melting belly fat. Ginger drink. Take 1 tablespoon of grated ginger and combine it with 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix it with 1 liter of warm water. Shake it well and sip throughout the day. 1. Ginger tea. Boil 2 cups of water and add 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Strain the drink. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and a pinch of cinnamon. 2. Mix it well and drink post-lunch to reduce flatulence. Another fun way to enjoy ginger is by making ginger candies. Cut ginger into slightly thick pieces or tiny cubes. In a large bowl, mix 1 cup of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of amchur powder and rock salt. Whisk it well, soak the ginger cubes and allow them to sun dry. Enjoy these candies as a remedy after lunch or dinner.
Hi, I'm Emily, and I've been drinking ginger and lemon tea every day for the past 2 months. I've noticed a significant reduction in my belly fat, and my digestion has improved dramatically.
Hey everyone, I'm Laura. Incorporating ginger and lemon into my daily routine has not only helped me lose belly fat, but also boosted my energy levels and overall well-being.
Now let's bust some myths. Myth 1. Ginger will upset your stomach during summer. Truth. Moderate consumption of ginger is safe and beneficial. Myth 2. All gingers are the same. Truth. Fresh ginger is the best choice due to its higher nutrient content. Myth 3. You can't combine ginger with other foods. Truth. Ginger pairs well with many foods and can enhance their health benefits. Before we wrap up, here are a few important notes. If you suffer from acid reflux or stomach ulcers, it's best to avoid these remedies as they can aggravate the condition. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have underlying health conditions. And there you have it. Combining ginger with lemon could be your secret weapon to melting away that stubborn belly fat. Remember, consistency is key. Give it a try and let us know your results in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay fabulous and healthy.